Hello everyone. Here is the latest update and forecast regarding a possibility of a tropical storm that may form near Hong Kong or potentially affect the region during 20 to 23 August 2026. At the same time, weather model guidance is also indicating a possible tropical system over the Western Pacific, with some scenarios showing a track towards Japan. Please remember that this is still an early-stage forecast, and the exact development, strength, and track can change considerably in the coming days. According to the latest model guidance being monitored, the GFS and ECMWF models are showing signs of tropical development over the Western Pacific during the coming period. However, the two models do not necessarily agree on the exact track or intensity. This is important because tropical systems at this stage can change direction depending on the position of the subtropical ridge, surrounding wind patterns, and the availability of warm ocean water. For Hong Kong, the period between 20 and 23 August is worth watching closely. At present, there is no basis to describe a direct tropical storm strike on Hong Kong as confirmed. Instead, the current signals should be treated as an early possibility that requires monitoring. If the disturbance develops farther west than currently projected, Hong Kong and neighboring areas could experience an increase in cloudiness, showers, squally thunderstorms, and stronger winds. On the other hand, if the system remains farther east, the main impacts may stay over the open waters of the Western Pacific. Another important development is the potential track towards Japan. Some model scenarios indicate that a tropical system could gradually move northwards or northeastwards and potentially approach Japan. However, the exact landfall location cannot be determined at this stage. Even a small change in the position of the developing circulation can produce a significantly different forecast track. The ECMWF forecast system provides probabilistic guidance for the development of tropical systems, while global models, such as GFS and ECMWF, are routinely used to examine possible future tracks and atmospheric conditions. So, for now, the main message is watch and wait, rather than panic. The period from 20 to 23 August 2026 could become increasingly important if the tropical disturbance becomes better organized. Meteorological agencies will need to observe satellite imagery, pressure changes, wind circulation, and model consistency before issuing any definite warning. For Hong Kong residents, there is currently no reason to assume that a typhoon will directly hit the city based only on these early model projections. But if you are planning outdoor activities or marine activities around 20 to 23 August, it would be sensible to keep checking the latest updates from the Hong Kong Observatory and other official weather authorities. And for Japan, the situation also needs close monitoring because some model scenarios are suggesting a possible approach towards the country. The track and intensity remain uncertain, and forecasts at this range can change from one model run to another. So, once again, 20 to 23 August 2026 is a period to watch carefully. A tropical disturbance may develop, and there is a possibility of impacts extending from the Western Pacific towards Japan, while Hong Kong's weather could also become more unsettled depending on how the system evolves. We will continue to monitor the GFS, ECMWF, and official meteorological updates. Any significant change in the storm's formation, movement, or potential impact on Hong Kong and Japan will be reported in the next update. Stay tuned, stay alert, and keep following the latest official weather information.